Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to askNK. Today is another interesting episode of, Free Friday, and today we're going to be talking about a website which you probably don't know about, and you're actually going to find it fun and, resourceful when you get to know. So the website is environmenttextures.com. So environmenttextures.com is a place where you can find incredible, amazing, not your usual, but at the same time things that you want to work with premium textures. And these textures ranges from grunges, ground glasses. They're basically seamless, most of them, and they also come with things that has to do with rock, PBR materials, and so on and so forth. So in case you want that HDRI sky that you cannot find from anywhere for your dome, yeah, definitely you should come and try here and see if you can find it. And also things like woods, you can definitely find it. Most of the files that you find here are premium content, which simply means that some of them you definitely have to pay for them, and they kind of pay based on credits. So you pay a certain amount to actually get credits, but at the same time these guys actually have things that you can get for free. And presently there is a coupon that is available which gives you 15% discount, and you can go ahead and pay and get these things for yourself. And right now there is a new 1-month membership that you can get, which is going to give you access to premium content. So from this part where you come over here and click on the free sample, you will be able to get free sample content that you can use. Now these contents are royalty free, and you can also use them for things like referencing and so on and so forth. So that's about it. This is Free Friday. The internet is here, you're there. Go ahead, get these things, use them for your personal project. Interesting stuff that you can find. You will be blown away to shreds. As many stuffs that you've never even thought you could find on the internet that has to do with environment that you're going to find on this website. So go ahead, download these things and use them. And that's going to be about it. I'd like to know what you guys think about this in the comment section. If you like this video, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit the like button and also turn on notification. We have an entire playlist that's dedicated to Free Friday, so you can go ahead and check those out and see if you can find contents that you would need. And also, if you want to get updates, there is an entire playlist dedicated to that. You should also go ahead and check that in the channel. And if you're new here, it's going to be amazing if you can hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update, the next tutorial, or the next Free Friday. And until I see you guys again with the tutorial update, Free Friday, Tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.